Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover Snapchat My Eyes Only photos. So the first step you simply need to do is to go onto the Snapchat, click on your profile picture on the top left. Then you need to click on the gear icon on the top right. From here you need to scroll down and here you can see support I need help. Click here and search here I lost snaps. Hit enter. Click on that option. Scroll down, click on this cross mark. So you click on any option, click on submit, and here you can see that unfortunately if you forget your My Eyes Only passcode and then reset it, you will lost everything currently saved to My Eyes Only. Snapchat support will not be able to recover them for you. So it is not possible that support will help you in recover that. So you need to must remember the passcode that you have. So this is the only method possible. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.